missing someone.
Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a basic overview of Funimate's new features that they have added to the app that can help you a whole lot with your edits, and I think are totally worth it. So yeah, so basically this video is sponsored by Funimate, but Funimate, it's an app that I've used for almost 3 years now, and I've used them a lot for my edits, especially making tutorials for you guys. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you a basic overview, and as you can see on my screen, they've always had this browsing feature where you can browse over other people's edits and get inspiration from them, or either like them or see your favorite creators and edits or anything like that. But I think this is a great feature where you can support other creators that make edits in the app. So yeah, a new feature that they have added to the app is called templates. Now people can either make templates or use them. Now people can, with templates, you can basically when you look at the edits you see, you can basically put your own photos into them, and it looks like an edit that you made, but you just basically put photos into them. It's a nice, easy way and fast way to make edits if you just want to make one quickly, which is pretty easy, and I think is a great feature that they have added. So I'm going to go ahead and use this template right here. It's going to take a little to load, but basically I'm just going to put the pictures I'm going to choose to put in the template, and it'll basically make an edit for me with the template. So right here I'm going to be choosing the pictures I want to use, so I'm choosing them right here. And yeah, I think this is a great feature that they have added, and I think a lot of you guys would like it for fast, easy edits, and takes minus 5 minutes to use. And as you can see, this is the final product. Now this is not, there's so many better templates that you could use, but this is just a random one that I chose to use. But yeah, I think this is a great feature to use for any edits that you want to make easily. Now, if you want to make your own kind of unique edit that you want to add your own transitions, you're going to go ahead and like always, this button has always been here, edit your own video. And I'm going to go ahead and press the pictures that I want to use for the video. So yeah, right here I'm pressing the pictures, and I'm going to go ahead and press square because I just rather this format. Now you guys might see this big watermark on the screen. Don't worry, your edit will not have that big watermark. This only pops up when you're screen recording. So yeah, that's not going to be there once you want to import it. So right here I'm choosing the sound I want to use in my edit. This has always been here, but I think, yeah, I'm just want to add the sound so I can guide myself through the edit, which I think is much better. Now there is many effects that they have added to the app, such as keyframes, custom animations, and way more cool transitions to add to your videos. So right here you can see I'm just go ahead and showing you guys the transitions that they have added, such as the cube spin, distortion, and tile spin, and all those kind of effects, which I think are really nice and could help you out with adding transitions to your videos and adding a unique twist to them. So right here I'm just navigating through all the effects they have. Some of them have been here since day one, some of them have just been added. Again, some of them are for pro people, but I think invested in pro is very important if you want to use this app as your main editing app and want to unlock more effects and all that, but you do not have to. There's many free effects that you can use. Right here I'm using the new custom animations, where you can just add these as intro and outro kind of animations. You can also do your custom kind of things, but right here they have some that you can choose from, such as slide and scale. So right here, this is the custom animation. Now you can just add you can add a keyframe and scale it down, scale it up, and do it in your own custom way, as you can see I'm doing here. Again, I'm new to using these features, but they're pretty easy to learn, and honestly I think they're very cool, especially if you come from a light motion or are used to those kind of apps. I think Funimate adding those is great because I think it will help them out. a lot and help you guys out a lot making your edits and making them more unique and to the style you like. So yeah, they're not very hard to learn at all, and they're pretty easy to use once you get the hang of it, and you can just play around with them. As you can see, I'm doing here. I'm just seeing what looks good and what does not look good. And yeah, I think this feature would be something many people would like, and totally changes the aspect of Funimate itself. It's no longer just like some transition app. You can actually make your own transitions, but I think it's so much more advanced and could totally just help you guys out making these edits. So right here, I'm just doing the last of the keyframes, and I think you can honestly just play around, figure them out. They're really easy to use once you get the hang of it. Now I'm just looking over the rest of my edit, making sure it goes with the beat, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the other features that they have added, such as the new transitions, but I'm also gonna be using other stuff such as the layers and adding text. Here I'm just adding the transitions that I want to use in this video. So yeah, I think that most of these new transitions that they have added are really cool and totally make your edit so much cooler. So right here, I'm just gonna add an image. Again, you can use any of these that you want to add to your edit, but for this I'm gonna be using images. So what I'm gonna be doing here is adding my overlays, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and add scale, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add whatever in transition that I want to use for my edit. So right here, as you can see, I am doing that, and I think I'm looking for like something that goes good with the edit. Again, this is a really nice feature that they have added. I'm not sure if this is a new feature, but I'm pretty sure they added it quite a long ago. But I think this is just great to make your edit so much better, and using these overlays and pictures could totally spice your edit up a whole bunch. So here I'm just cropping the picture to make it much better, and I'm gonna go ahead and speed the process. Okay guys, so I have finished up the edit I have made. Again, it's pretty simple and I only use some of the features, but again, you can go ahead and play around with a bunch of these features and make it unique to however you want to make your edit. I can't wait to see you guys' creations. So if you do, go ahead and post your videos on Instagram and tag me at andreaxgalaxy, and I might go ahead and like your edits. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, a huge shout out to Funimate for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Missing someone.